Hi guys, it's LBtwink and welcome back to my channel. I've quite frankly been homeless. Not really, because I've had somewhere to stay, but I haven't really had a home in about like 3 weeks now. That kind of is like the reason why I haven't really been posting. I have been just going through it, but right now, this morning, bitch, is move-in day. That's what this video is gonna be about. My planning is at a solid fucking 0. I look like trash. I feel like trash. I just radiate trash. I'm heading to what I call my storage unit, which is my old house. Basically, I'm about to tell you guys the whole fucking tea. A couple videos ago, I had mentioned how my great-grandma passed away. My great-grandma was the owner of the house that I was living at. And since she passed away, our house had to be sold. It was in the will. When she passed away, she left the house to my aunt. Dad fucking ass evicted my family who was living inside the house because she wanted to hurry up and sell the house because this bitch wants her money. As annoying as that is and as shitty as that situation is, I'm not stressing it too much. I look at this as a way that has pushed me to grow. Obviously, I'm not going to be living at home anymore. I'm kind of looking at this in the perspective of that I am being pushed after getting evicted. Within 1 week, I found the apartment of my fucking life. I walked into this place, guys, and I kid you not, I fell in love. And you know what I did? I secured that bitch. I don't even know how. Everything worked out. I also have work at 1 o'clock today. I leave to New York in like 48 fucking hours. I have not prepared at all. I'm getting my own apartment. Bitch. So I just made it back to my old house. Ever curious what my house looked like? This is what it looks like. It is so crazy. I do have to take all of this furniture to my new place. That's just what I want to do. It makes me feel so weird. See my entire childhood just gone. Look at how tall the fucking grass is. This is just not right. I've been missing this bitch. I just gotta figure out how to fit this shit into my car. Bitch. I got a lot of shit. I got a lot of clothes. That's where like my entire life is at. These 4 boxes, these 2 large ones are just full of clothes. These ones right here are literally shit that I own. So it's like clothes, 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 shoe, trunk being full of my fucking life. For the past who knows how long couple weeks, I've quite frankly been not living out of my car, but my just whole closet. It's just been a shit show. I'm just gonna thrive now. Currently, what my whole ass life is looking like. As you can see, my entire car is packed to the fucking brim. Wait for it. There's my furniture heading off. Your boy, the one and only, is on his way to his apartment. And this is so much, and I do not know how I'm even going to go to work at 1 o'clock, but I feel like shit's gonna go flying every time I break. I'll try to vlog this shit, but like, guys, this is so much. I'm fucking exhausted. Can't really see out of my back mirror, so that's lit. I've literally never seen my car this filled with shit. I'm finally in my apartment. We've run into a little issue. My couch won't fit through the door, so it looks like I don't have a couch. In the meantime, I'm gonna start setting up my room. I am living for this. I want to do like a whole ass little house tour, but also I'm lazy right now and I have to go to work soon. I think I'm gonna pick up this video tonight, film when I'm unpacking. First of all, I have been working all day. Just decided to kind of unpack, to film and just chit chat. I'm in my robe right now because a bitch is thriving in his own home. I'm a little baked right now. I have 2 small boxes of just stuff. Tonight I drank a venti cup of fucking coffee at work, so let's hope that this is gonna be a lot of work. The gag of it all is like, I'm really tired. My brain is at 40% right now. That's not much of a different thing. I'm like literally sitting filming myself just fucking procrastinating. But that's just realistic, to be honest. So in this small box, oh my god, all my jewelry. Bitch, let me tell you, I have missed the fuck out of my whole ass closet. Every single accessory that I own has been packed away. That was a big issue for me. This room has a lot to do. Expect a room tour coming soon. I feel like I just did one, but that one was trash. I got my nipples swelling out. Demonetized. I'm telling you guys, most of everything I own is literally just a fucking accessory. Congrats. No one fucking cares. Out here comes out my bajillion fucking bags. Why do I have so many fucking laxatives? Like, I'm not even that constipated. Love my fucking life. Random. Funny enough, they told me that this place was haunted. I'm spending the night here alone tonight. I'm petrified. I should have saged the shit out of this place. God, I'm leaving to New York in 24 hours. Fuck. As you can see in the back there, stuff is starting to come along. But I ended up shirtless because it got really hot reorganizing everything. I have currently cleared out my 2 boxes. I am starting to decorate. It's just starting to feel a little more homey, and I just feel really nice just being in my own space. So I'm trying to figure out every little nook and cranny of this place. There's an attic up there, and that's kind of scary. I wonder what's in the fucking attic. It's so weird. I have lived with my family my entire life. Just like finally being on my own. First of all, this is fucking expensive. Second of all, it's just really something I'm not used to, and something I'm gonna have to get used to. My distracted ass keeps sitting down and like going on my phone. But for the most part, I've tucked away all my bags into my closet. The closet is gonna have to be a whole ass thing. So something I need to point out, I ripped off my acrylics. I hated every single second of it. It made me hate acrylics. I have so much to do to get ready for tomorrow. I'm delirious. I need to go the fuck to bed. I never finished filming yesterday because I was delirious. I was high as shit, to be honest. I knocked out at 11 p.m. I just never filmed an outro because I'm unorganized as shit. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.
And on the notifications.
Yeah, make sure you stay tuned. XOXO, LBtwink.